Hello, my name is Tazu Basashuli, and this is my final project for the CS50 class called the Code Phone. In the Code Phone, the first thing you do is either register or log in. If you type in register, it will ask you for your username. I'll type CS50 and a password. This code saves the usernames and the passwords in a TXT files, so it remembers your username and password. After this, we can log in. Type in login, type the username and the password. After this, it will open this page, which will show us multiple apps we can use. First, I will start by opening Twitter. We open Twitter by typing its name in here. After this, it will open this page up, and we can see there's some messages left. The Twitter apps works just like normal Twitter, and it also removes vowels just like the CS50 Twitter problem. If you write something like hello world and reopen Twitter, we will see all the vowels have been removed, and our username is also displayed on the left side. Let's just get out there, and the next tab on the list is the calculator. If we open calculator, we can type in many arithmetic expressions at the same time. Like if we type 10 minus 90 times 7, it will show us the result, and we can keep doing this until we type quit in here. And the last one, last app on this program is the number guessing game, which we open by inputting its name shortly, NGG. After we open this app, we can choose the difficulty we want to play this on. For the video purpose, I will do the easy mode. Now we have 10 guesses, and we have to guess from 1 to 100. Let's start by typing 50, 30, 40, and we guessed it right. And that was all the apps. In summary, this program simulates like having a digital phone with many apps like social media, also a calculator, and a simple game. Thank you for watching this video and seeing my program.